Without math, what would we be? Lost in a world, lost of filthy. The sun, the stars, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we need. Science explains how things are made, why leaves are green and why sun is green. From medicine to machine that fly, science given to everyone. Airplanes, rockets, electricity, gadgets, robots, clean energy. Together they work, math and science unite, to make the future smart and bright. STEM leads the way for every nation, to save the earth, to heal the sick, to solve problems fast, to solve problems quick. Science and math are tools we need for every act and every good deed. From young to old, they help us grow, shape the world with one photo. We are learners, we are thinkers, we are builders, we are dreamers. With science and math in heart and mind, we solve, we seek, we find. Together we shine in logic and math. Science and math, our future is bright.